Alright, we're showing how easy it is to switch to this new log stop. No modification needed. Just these 3, 5, 32nd Allen screws, or Allen set screws right there. I already loosened those up, so then just slide this bar out. Get this one off. Grab this new one. Slide the bar back, tighten these up. Alright, and then grab a 4-foot level. Line this up with the buttons here. So, 1/2-inch wrench. And then the actual stop part. Tighten that into position. Then line that up with the buttons. And a couple bolts on the bottom side here. There's a couple jam nuts as well. So make sure it doesn't vibrate loose. That's pretty much it right there. Should be pretty good right there. That way it's nice and square, and you can drop these down to the under the 1-inch mark and should be able to just keep those in there then.